Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on do not disturb mode. Among the many unique iPhone feature is the do not disturb that keeps your iPhone from disturbing you. When enabled, the feature ensures that you enjoy valuable moment of solitude away from the chaotic social conversation via calls, text messages, alarm alerts and all other notifications, meaning your iPhone will just sit silent. The feature comes in handy when you are in meeting or when it is bedtime. Woefully, many iPhone users, especially iPhone 11 to 15 users, have regrettably reported that the iPhone keeps going into do not disturb mode and cannot turn it off after updating their devices. If the iPhone stuck on do not disturb mode, the video will furnish you with excellent method to do troubleshoot. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is system glitches or errors. So you have to restart your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on shutdown and then slide to power off. Wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is outdated iOS versions. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date, as bugs that could cause such issues are often mixed in software updates. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is do not disturb mode not turning off. Make sure you switch off DND correctly. If you can't turn on do not disturb mode from your settings, you can turn it off from your control center. For this, swipe down the control center from the top right side and then tap on the moon icon. Here you can see all of your focus modes. Tap on do not disturb mode to disable it and you are done. And the next step is restriction settings. You may have activated the driving mode restrictions on your iPhone while operating a vehicle. For this, go to settings and then scroll down and then tap on focus. Next, tap on driving. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on while driving under turn automatically. Here you have to choose manually and you are done. And the next step is broken settings. If there is an issue with your iPhone settings, you might need to reset them. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and next tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone stuck or do not disturb, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.